We're here at 121 Mining in Cape Town. Tell us about Centaurus Metals.
Yeah, thanks for that. Look, it's been a great day so far, and Centaurus is an Australian listed company focused on projects in Brazil. We've got a very nice copper gold project in the northern state of Pará, and more recently, just as of last week, we actually acquired a new nickel cobalt project in the same region that looks really interesting.
So tell us about this project.
Yeah, so look, it's a long strike from a deposit that Anglo American have got in that state, so something that looks quite appealing to us. It's very early stage, so we've got to go out and do the drill work, but we think with that work we'll be able to define a quite nice deposit and do that relatively inexpensively, simply because of the material in theory being close to surface.
So tell us about those plans and everything in the rest of the year.
Yeah, so I think we're really going to start straight into doing soil sampling and some auger drilling right now on the nickel cobalt. That'll be followed by RC drilling through probably March and April, and then we'll move back onto our Salobo West copper gold project, which is waiting on the seasonal rains to pass before we can actually start doing our drilling there, and that will be the plan to get in and drill that project, and that'll pretty much take us through the course of the year.
So you're here at 121. What are the core messages you're trying to get across to investors?
Oh, look, I think it's probably like most people, it's that we're relatively undervalued compared to the asset base that we've got. So as I say, we've got a very, very good copper gold project. It's in the right location, only 10 kilometres along strike from Vale's massive Salobo mine. We've now picked up a nickel cobalt project that's very close to Jacaré, the Anglo American's very big deposit. And we've got some other assets in our portfolio that we're trying to find ways to demonstrate that value. So comparatively to a market cap of around $30 million, we think the asset base is tremendous, and that investors should really take a look at it. So bring it back to the people at 121 and go, yep, let's move on and let's have a good year.
Well, thank you very much.
No worries.